Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we will discuss how to prepare EMI statement in Excel. Normally every month we will pay EMIs. It includes both principal and interest. If you want to know the outstanding of your loan amount, normally we will go to bank website and we will search over there, we will get it. But with the help of Excel, we can get the same statement in Excel also. In this short video, I will explain how to prepare EMI statement in Excel by step. This is Viru Mimula. You are watching my channel Excel Tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. So this is the final output of our statement. So we will start statement in Excel. Let's open this new tab. Excel. What are the fields we want? We want loan amount and we want total installments and we require rate of interest and we require EMI monthly how much we have to pay and total payments till our tenure, total payment till our tenure and interest amount. Total interest amount. So what is the total loan amount? 4 lakhs. Let's take example with 4 lakhs. Total installments we can say 48 installments and interest is 15.9%. And EMI, if you want to know the EMI how much we have to pay in every month, we have to use the function called PMT. So PMT open brackets, what is the rate of interest? It's 15.9%. 15.9% is for entire year, not for month. So this we can divide it into 12 months, comma, total installment. What is the total installments of our 48 months, comma, is 4 lakhs. So what is the total? Remaining two fields not required now. For us, close the bracket and press enter. So total installments is 11 lakhs 315 rupees. It is coming in negative balance. Now if you give minus here, it will come. We can get in positive value. Sorry. It will come positive value. To avoid the confusion, so what we will do, we will remove digits here. So 11,316 rupees we have to pay in every month. So what is the total payment which we have to pay till tenure? So 5,43,151 rupees till our tenure. So what is the total interest on this 5,43,000 minus this one is the total 1,43,151 rupees. This is a summary of our loan statement, but we will get in this month wise. Okay. So what are the fields required? Month and loan amount and interest and principal amount and next outstanding amount. So in this way we want, so what we will do, we will align these fields in easy way for better view purpose. Telling match all these figures and write statement called EMI statement in month wise this also we will match everything we will do in the left line. Now, so this is the first month, central line. So what is the loan amount for the first amount? What is the loan amount? Is the 4 lakhs is the loan amount. So what is the interest? So interest is nothing but loan amount into interest divided by 12. Okay. So what is the principal amount? We already know the EMI of every month. So this minus is interest of we already calculated interest of for a particular month, and this one. So what is the outstanding amount here? So total amount minus loan amount minus total outstanding loan amount minus principal amount of particular month. So next month it will carry next month it will sorry next month it will carry forward. So this is the total outstanding amount. In this, principal amount is interest amount is nothing but total outstanding amount into rate of interest divided by 12, and principal amount is EMI minus interest of particular month. No, so loan amount minus this one. So this is a total outstanding for the second month. So if you copy paste here, so it is coming like that. What we have to do? We have to freeze the figures. Here rate of interest we have to freeze, and here EMI D6 we have to freeze. If you drag this formula below, now it is coming correctly. So what is the total till 48? We will search. We will drag this formula. So it is coming. So to 48 till 48 total installments, we are getting 0 of outstanding balance. Now what it is doing after 48 installments, it is coming in next to negative balance. We will do this also. See, what is our total installments? 48 installments. So we will write one if formula here. If bracket start, if this month is greater than or equal to, so our total installments, then come 0, then calculate formula whatever it is there. Okay, the same formula we have to apply in all fields. If bracket start this month greater than or equal to this month total installments, comma, if it is coming 48, then come 0, or else calculate the formula whatever it is. Again we have to write a formula for this figure also. If bracket start this month is greater than or equal to total installments, comma 0, comma calculate the formula whatever is there here. So this also we have to freeze, or else it will formula it will calculate in below the fields. Now we have to freeze D4 here and D4 here and D4 here. Now drag the formula. Now it is not coming 0. Let's see how it works. What is happening? So once it is reach 48, it is coming automatically 0. Now what we have to do? We have to use one more condition here. So here we have to do plus 1. If you plus 1, if you give plus 1 here, it will calculate 48th month also. 48th month also it will calculate. Now it is coming 48, and outstanding amount is also 0. So in this, if you give 50, it will calculate automatically here. So 50 it will come. For better view, we will remove these grid lines and apply some color here. So now if it is 50, it is coming 50. If it is 60, if you drag here, how many months you want, you can put it here. So in this way we can get automatically EMI statement here. Hope this video will helpful to you. If you want more videos, please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you very much.